Okay, so we're in Mexicantown in Detroit, downtown Detroit, near downtown Detroit, a neighborhood in Detroit. And you can see the businesses already, and a Mexican flag, and a Canadian flag because we're nearby that, and Mexicantown restaurant, and all kinds of stuff. So we're gonna stroll through here with the car. So stay tuned for that. Okay, Mexicantown. So first thing we're gonna do is go through the core. Tamales, family restaurant, original Mexican taco. Man, I bet they got some really good food right now. Man, that looks good. So it's kind of a nice business district right here. It's even a tortilla factory. And I don't know, should I go left or right? I feel like I should go this way. So this is Mexicantown. So many really good restaurants in here. So I'm gonna go up to Werner. And that goes downtown, goes to Courttown and downtown to the right, down that way. And I am gonna try to go this way, if possible. It will be in a moment. There we go. So now we're kind of on the core. Some interesting houses. Good taco truck right there. Giovanni's. Saw a Sicilian pizza. I don't want to move the camera around too much too quickly, so that's why I'm a little bit careful. St. Anthony's Parish. So this whole neighborhood is basically called Mexicantown. So the main commercial district was that way, and then I don't know if there's much commercial district down this way, but we're gonna drive down it anyways and just kind of see what's in here. And maybe what I'll do is I'll put the camera to the left so you can kind of see what the houses look like in this area. And I believe this whole neighborhood is basically called Mexicantown, but the core, the business district, was the one that we went through already. Covenant House. So let me move the camera back to the front. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of angle back towards the you saw that I had the camera there. I was wondering how easy it was for people to see. I guess it's pretty easy. Oh, look how big that church is. Some big buildings in Detroit. Dang. Real nice. Look how nice those are. Wow. Okay, so I guess what we're gonna do is we're gonna end this video in a moment, and we're just kind of driving around Mexicantown, and we're gonna try to turn right on Begley. Go down the commercial district one more time. That's coming up right here. And yeah, people come all over the place to go to get some really good Mexican food down here on Begley Street in Mexicantown. The commercial street is directly ahead of us. There it is. That's where we started at, right there. Where the Mexican flag, Canadian flag, American flag. This is where all the goodness happens for all those Mexican restaurants and food. And people need to have that Mexican fix, and as Americans, we all do. Every one of us. Pretty cool. Okay. Kind of a good ending right there with that guy walking across to the guitar. Alright, that's Mexicantown. Hope you enjoyed it. Oh, sorry, there's more. No wonder that seems so small. There's more down on Verner Road. Del Barrio, there's all kinds more. Sorry. Sheesh. I really gave it a big disservice there because I thought I went through it and I was like, oh, I thought it was like a lot bigger than that. And it is a lot bigger. A lot bigger. No wonder. Sheesh, El Centro. Oh, sheesh. Sorry. Good Mexican restaurants. I put it on the map and it was like very specific to that one little spot. So, but actually the business district stretches out quite a bit more, as you can see. So we're gonna go down it and, sheesh. I was like, oh, I remember it being a lot bigger than that. Like, a lot bigger, and I was like, oh, is that all it was? Was that, I just thought it was, anyways. This stretch out. Maybe this isn't called Mexicantown, but then the Mexican neighborhood stretches further down, as you can see, so. And it looks like it'll probably start to fade out here as we go down. But we'll see about that too. Looks like still see Spanish words. There's more tacos, burritos. Yeah, you can't be America without having, like, it's gotta be bigger than that, because, I mean, come on. There's a taco truck right there. So yeah, but there's, yeah. Anyways, we'll keep the camera going a little bit longer because it does stretch down on Vernon Street. Even that last name is Jim Sosedo. State Farm. All right. So you are getting a little bit of a tour of Detroit, Mexicantown. And yeah, I guess actually probably that was where I was at, was probably what's labeled Mexicantown on the Google Maps, but then it stretches out. So I think we're still seeing it, Primaveras, you can see Primaveros. Of course it's kind of mixed, Tienda Express. There's some Chinese, Ho-Ho's Village. Verner Plaza. Kind of cool. Another restaurant. El Rancho Mexican restaurant. Supermercado. Pretty healthy businesses, kind of flourishing. Saw another taco truck. A little bit like a suburban looking strip mall stretch. You got a Burger King up ahead, you got Aranda's Tire. So we'll put all this for the Mexicantown stuff as well. And that side, Lefty's cheesesteaks. I wouldn't have a nice cheesesteak. Got a veteran guy, or I don't know if he's veteran or not, but homeless guy. Better speed up so I can catch another green light before it turns red. So I bet the Mexicantown will probably fade out once we cross under this bridge. I think that sounds about right. I do remember a bridge that kind of said outdoor mercado right there. But I do remember a bridge that kind of separated it for me. You it was like once I went under this bridge, I was like, okay, now we're in Mexicantown. So yeah, it's I was like, oh man, when I first started, I haven't been here in a while, about 7-8 years. So I was like, oh, maybe it was a lot smaller than I thought. All right, so now you can see that it's the flavor has changed. We might still catch something in Spanish out here later, but I think that was actually the core of it. So anyways, that's named it right there. That was Mexicantown. All this is in Detroit, so we're still in Detroit as well right now. Actually, the Mexicantown spreads out. I keep seeing more and more restaurants down the street called Central. So if you want to look it up on a map, but it's I've seen Mexican flags, I've seen Mexican people and African people as well, and white people and everybody else. But yeah, this is definitely still. Oh, this one, Colombia. I think that's Colombia's sign, Colombia flag. But anyways, looks like we kind of got stuff spreading out still quite a ways. So yeah, actually Mexicantown spreads out quite a ways. And I guess it's not all called Mexicantown, but anyways, it's all this area. So, all right.